So here we are, we've taken the engine out of the aircraft and we're now positioning it so that we can take the top cover off of the compressor at the front of the engine. This is so that we can inspect the blades to see if there's been any foreign object damage, or any severe corrosion, or anything that would render the engine unserviceable for further use. We intend to do this to one engine per year, so every 2 years an engine will be inspected in this way. Here you can see the top of the compressor gradually being raised. We have to make sure that obviously the blades are kept separated. In the stator blades, which are mounted in the top half of the compressor, and the rotor blades that you can see inside the engine itself. Once the top of the compressor is removed, we can actually see most stages of the compressor, and we can see all the stator blades in the top half, and the remaining blades we can then have easy access to use borescope equipment to inspect all the blades on the engine. We also will remove burners, which there's 8 flame tubes inside the engine. We can take the burners out of all 8, which gives us further access to inspect inside for any damage to the flame tubes. Gives us access to the front of the turbine, and we can see the rear of the turbine by going through the jet pipe. So here you see the top half of the compressor now, and all the blades with just a cursory glance so far look to be fine. So this engine looks good for many years service to come yet. See, the engine clearly rotates freely, all the blades are really clean, as you would expect. This engine has only done 20 hours since it was last overhauled, although that was some time ago, of course.